Hello students, now we'll be looking into limited memory of FA or limited static memory of FA. So FA has limited static memory. Because of this limitation, FA cannot recognize more number of languages. That is nothing but FA cannot accept more number of languages. That is nothing but every language of a formal language, every language of a formal language cannot be accepted by FA because what is the reason? It has limited static memory. It has just static memory. It is just that memory can be used to just process the current symbol only. It cannot remember anything. We will observe. We'll take some example to understand here. All of you look here. So let me take sigma as a comma b. How f is limited memory? Please do understand. I'm taking alphabet sigma as a comma b. Later I will define what is alphabet here. You just take, to forming a string, I'm using alphabet a only. Now language can form if I take a power n greater than or equal to 1. If I take now this language containing single a, yes or no, 2 a's should be there, 3 a's and 4 a's and 5 a's, n number of a's are there. So n greater than 1, correct or not? 1 minimum will 1, maximum could be anything up to n is there, right? So this is a language if I take. Now look this. If I take string, any string is there. If I take any string w will representing w equal to string. If I take a, how fa will accept? Very simple. Later we will explain more things. Just understand if a string is a is there, simply it will start from some state. Suppose name of the state is q naught. Assume that q naught is start state. Take a first symbol. Take the first symbol out of string. First symbol take q naught on it is moving to next state. Let's take q1 and q1 again take another alphabet symbol take and move to next state q2. Suppose this is accepted, we'll say when string is completed, that is accepted, we can say. Otherwise if I take w equal to, so a is there. Assume that a is there. So now how is it going to accept it? Q naught on a q1. Suppose simply I'm taking. Otherwise what I will do, q1 on a q2, q2 on a q3. Suppose q3 is accepted state. So for which fa I will draw like this. Simply fa I will draw. So q0 on a q1, accept it and repeat n number of a's here. Accept n number of a's here. Please do understand. Now see language saying that minimum 1. 1a if we give, accept any number of a's is if we give, accept, for which I have constructed. Single a will accept. If you give 3a's will accept, 4a, 5a, all will accept here. So this is the FA can be constructed. But if I given different language for which whether we are able to construct FA or not, that will observe now. Are you getting my all of you? Just I have taken small example of language in which number of strings I have taken for which I have drawn FA here. So this is the way acceptance will happen. Suppose if I take another example here, same sigma just a only I will take a only a. Let me take alphabet sigma having a only. Now if I take a language, so let me take, otherwise sigma will take a comma b I will take. Assume that a comma b, and language I will take language a power n b power n such that n greater than or 1 if n greater than or equal to 1 if I given. What this language is containing? See, both the case n is there. When n is 1, a b will get. When n is 2, what I will get? A b b will get. Yes or no? When n is 3, a b b b. This kind of language is there. That is not, you understand. Equal number of a's and equal number of b's are there. A is followed by b and number of a's should be equal to number of b's is there. Correct or not? Now suppose if I take w as a string, b is there. How to accept for this? So how to accept this mark? So now string I have taken w as taken a b is there. If I taken this one, assume that. Now we'll start constructing q0. Okay, q0 on a q1. Done. Again I have to move second. Q1 on A, suppose Q2. Q2 on B, Q3. Q3 on second B, Q4. Suppose it reaching to final state, assume that. I can say but accepted. But AABB reached to final state, assume that, accept if I say. But I did not maintain the count between number of A's and B's, correct or not? See, suppose example A, B is there. This must not accepted by you drawn FA. Why? Because here number of A is not equal to B. Then what language I have taken? You take a language in which all the strings in each string number of A's and number of B's should be same. But here what 3 A's are there, 1 B is there. Number of A's cannot be equal to B. So this string is not available. So if the given string is there, that must be rejected by FA. Such a way you have to construct. But I have something I have drawn. Here AAB reached, but I did not maintain the count. Like I did not check for what? I did not check a number of A's equal to number of B's or not. How to check this number of A's and number of B's? So this is not possible by FA. FA is limited memory, is there, limited static memory is there. The FA cannot accept this language now. Why? Because it needs some extra memory to compare number of A's and number of B's. Are you getting all of you? I need extra memory to compare this thing. So how this will happen? So we can observe now. How this will happen, I can observe. Look this, suppose. Same language I will take A power and B power n such that n greater than 1 is there. Means strings, how the strings are there? A, B, B is there. How this can be compared? Very simple. If I use the memory, suppose stack, if I use the stack. What I will do, so first what I will do, to check compare number of A's equal to number of B's, first Q naught, okay I will draw like this. So if I get Q naught on, suppose Q naught on A, if you getting, okay, Q naught on A getting, so you just I will use a stack symbol. I will use some stack symbol here. So I'm not going to draw here anything, just I'm using stack symbol. Q naught on A go to Q1, okay. Push A if I say, suppose push A if I say like the push A, so push into stack, okay. Now again if we get, again push move to next state, A pushed here, fine. So if suddenly if you get B, then you pop, suppose Q3, like for A pop A and insert B. Suppose again if you get B is input string, again pop it. So pop A, place it B. See how many times I popped here A is 2 times. For each B I popped A. For each B I popped A. That is nothing but, so number of pop operation, push operation same or not? So 2 A's I push, 2 A's are 2 B's, like for, see it's very simple. For each B I popped A, simply you understand. For each B I popped A. For each B I popped A. Now whenever stack is empty, then I can say the string is accepted. The string is accepted, otherwise rejected I can tell. See, I can process this kind of strings, but I must have what? Memory. So this stack is not available with FA. The stack is not available with FA. That is the reason all the formal languages cannot be accepted by DFA or FA. You understand? Now see, FA plus one stack, if I use stack, and this is nothing but push down automata. Now you understand, this language can be constructed with, this language can be accepted by push down automata or not done by FA. Because in push down automata there is a one stack memory will be there. In push down automata there is a one stack memory we have, so we can accept. I hope you are getting. Suppose I will take another example here only. Suppose language, same language I am using, A power n, B power n such that A greater than 1 is there. If I take W as a string, A, B is there, assume that. How we are accepting? I am using the stack. For initially all A's you push it, all A's push it. For each B pop A, for each B pop A, each B pop A. After popping all A, stack is empty, right? When stack becomes empty, that I can say this is accepted by machine. This string is accepted. So this language can be constructed by push down automata, not done by FA. So now PDA is nothing but what? One stack memory plus FA will be there like this. Capacity of FA plus one stack memory is there, so that PDA can accept whatever language is accepted by FA, plus it can accept more languages also. Are you getting my point? PDA can accept whatever the languages are accepted by FA as well as more. That you would understand. Now, I'll take another example. Look, all of you, if I take, suppose W, if I take sigma equal to A comma B comma C is there. Now language I am forming here, A power n, B power n, C power n, such that n greater than 1 is there. So what is the language containing? Small a, b, c will be there. Yes, sir. Initially, when n is to a, b, b, c, c will be there. Or a, b, 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 c, c will be there. These are the strings are available in this language. Am I right? When n equal to 1, ABC, when n equal to 2, n equal to 3, like this is there. Suppose string W, A, B, B, C is there. Then how to accept? So as I mentioned, so to compare this one, I need stack, correct or not? Suppose stack is there. Stack is there. What we have done, for first initially whatever A's you get, you push it. A's you push it. I pushed here. What I told you, for each B pop A. For each B pop A. I pop. Then what happened? What about, so now I have compared. See, number of A's pushed and number of B's I popped A. Now stack become empty, correct or not? I have compared between A and B. But what about C's? What about C's? How to compare? See, in this language, number of A's and number of B's and number of C's should be equal. Those things only should accept. Now here AB compared, stack become empty. Can I say this string is accepted? No, because CC also there. Now I understand this language cannot be accepted by push down automata. This language cannot be accepted by push down automata, since push down automata has only one stack. With one stack you cannot construct. So definitely I need one more stack to compare between B and C. One stack is required to comparing A and B, and another stack required comparing B and C. So definitely I need two stacks for this to evaluate. So now what I can say, so now Turing machine is required. Turing machine nothing but whatever the push down automata plus one extra stack is there. If one push down automata, one extra stack is there, I can accept here. See, already push down automata has one stack, correct, or 1 plus 1, 2 stacks plus FA. Or you can say 3 stacks, 4 stack, n stack is there, that is nothing but Turing machine only. More than 2 stacks if machine has, that is nothing but Turing machine. Turing machine unlimited memory is there, so that we can store, we can retrieve, we can compare, everything is possible with the Turing machine. I told you, right, Turing machine equal to our real computer only. So now you understand. So with one stack, not possible this language. Now see, PDA also cannot accept all the formal languages. Am I right? PDA machine cannot be recognized by recognizing all the formal languages. I had given Chomsky hierarchy. See, FA is limited, PDA is more than FA, and LB is more than PDA. Turing machine is bigger. Yes or no? In terms of language acceptance only. I hope you are getting all of you. So when I define a language, whether language accepted machine or not, that is limited with their capabilities only. So I'm concluding here. All of you, I'm writing here. All of you, just you can note down. FA has no stack, 0 stack. Yes or no? FA has 0 stack. Yes or no? Are you getting my point, all of you? FA has 0 stack. So simply I will write FA plus 0 stack is nothing but what? FA only. Yes or no? Now FA plus 1 stack. FA plus 1 stack nothing but what? Push down automata or not? Yes, right. FA plus 2 stack is nothing but what? Turing machine or not? Yes or no? FA plus, also you can write push down automata plus 1 FA, 1 stacks. Push down automata plus 1 stack nothing but Turing machine only. Otherwise you can write FA plus 3 stack, also Turing machine. Simply writing FA plus N stack equal to Turing machine. Are you getting? So now simply what I'm trying to say, FA plus N, where N greater than 2, that is nothing but what? Turing machine only. That is nothing but Turing machine. You note down this point. All of you note down this point. So these are the limitations of memory we observe. Are you getting my point? So FA has limited static memory, no stack, only static memory will be there, that will remember current only. You cannot compare with others. So if you insert one stack, that becomes PDA. If you assign one more stack, that becomes Turing machine. FA plus 2 stack nothing but Turing machine. These are the important point which I given. Please don't note down, because sometimes we will getting theoretical questions. And also we have to understand capacities between the machines or not. Automata capability we are getting or not. Yes, I hope you are getting. Please do note down, all of you. We'll see some more examples.